Hi guys, we are the Baxter
family,
and we are doing the mother and son eating challenge.
We have a bucket with 20 chicken inside.
Yes.
And Daddy was going to be here, but Daddy's wife is sore, so we have Mommy here instead.
Okay, right. So let's do it.
Yes.
Yes. So we bought the Hotwings, 20 pieces Hotwings, and KFC.
It costs $5.99.
$5.99.
You just say 6 points.
Yeah. So we're gonna do this. We are ready. Isn't it? 10 pieces each. Okay. So.
And we also have emoji here. I brought down the
3,
the squish kind of.
4, 5.
I got it from Spain in
7,
Burger. I can't
8,
remember.
9, and 10.
Or was it Burger
Okay.
King?
So yours is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, why is all of it's big for me? Oh my God! Don't start yet. So who get? What's this? No, that's no popcorn. Just only Hot Wings for today. So that's a 10 of each.
I'll got some drinks in case our tongue's gone.
Okay. So we do this in quick eating. If you can do that, is the winner.
Okay.
So what's the price? What's the price?
$20.
No, $1. We don't have dollar.
I mean pound.
Pound.
We're not American.
Yes, we're not. So we are a
This is North
Filipino.
Island.
We are Filipino, British, Irish family.
I don't really know how to speak Filipino.
Oh, but
But
we're gonna learn that. Yes.
yes.
Yes. You're willing to learn, isn't it? Because
Yes.
we're going
This is a burger and it's hungry just like me. Yes,
Yes.
Charlie.
We are going to Philippines next year, so
Yes.
you need to learn Tagalog.
And for my birthday?
Yes, that's right.
Yay!
So yes, okay, let's do this. We are ready?
Okay. This
No, we are ready. Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm gonna have. Okay,
make sure you don't bite a bone because that's gonna be so.
so this is with bone, hot wings. So I know.
So you have to eat on sideways, not like
Okay. So okay, ready?
this.
Ready? Set. Go. Oh my God. I'm not hungry, but I don't know if I can eat all of them. Oh my God. Oh my God. It should be Daddy because he loves spicy. Oh my God. Because I eat earlier, so I eat rice. That's why I'm not hungry. Oh my God, you finished that one?
Ow. Bone.
Oh. Oh my God. So you want 20 pounds? Hmm? Oh my God. Not spicy?
Is yours slower than the first one?
Huh? Oh my God, I know. Because I'm not hungry. Oh my God, Gabe, you're on the third now. I'm only one. Oh my God, are you mas hungry? Is it your dinner? Yeah. Oh my God.
Fourth one?
Huh? It's my third now.
Bone pieces.
Oh my god. You must like it though, isn't it? Huh? You're not talking. You're so serious, kid. Oh my god. He wants 20 pounds. That's why he's focused. He loves money. Like daddy. Isn't it? Yeah? Should be that, you know, if I know that we're gonna do this. Like,
Be focused.
I don't know.
At the end, some of our teeth
God.
might have some chicken pieces in the middle of our teeth.
Is it?
Yeah.
You don't like that, you know?
Mm.
Oh my god, Neil. Oh my god, there are only 3. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose 20 pounds.
Right? It's already chicken.
Is it? Come on, you still have 4. I have 4. Oh my god. This challenge is, oh my god,
Intense?
intense. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need a tissue. It's so spicy. It's okay? It's okay for you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Spicy?
Need some popcorn.
Why are you still eating popcorn? You still have chicken. You're right.
Definitely
Oh
gonna
my
have
god,
school
it's
teeth
like
after this.
Huh?
We're definitely gonna have school teeth after this.
Is that? No, just brush your teeth after.
Kids, don't try this at home.
It's really hard to eat. Too much. It's like too much, I don't know, it's bready. Okay. You still make it? Can you make it that one?
Taste buds are really going in about the spiciness.
Mm-hmm. So are you give up? Are you give up?
I'm never gonna give up.
Okay. What's that? Oh my god, I only have to let give. Are you okay? Are you give
I
up?
give up.
Are you give up? Are you sure? I give up too. It's too much. So I eat, I think you eat.
I still have to finish this one. I had 3 left.
Really? No, I think you win because I put one chicken on your plate. You don't know, that's why I laugh. So you eat 9 and then I eat 7. So you win then. Well done, yay.
Okay, we're definitely washing our hands after this. I'm washing my face. There's crumbs.
Okay.
The camera might look like I have no crumbs on my face.
Okay,
but I have crumbs.
just wait. We just finished this one. So guys, Gabe is the winner. So I give him 20 pounds later on. So because there's a prize. What? You still eating? Okay. So we need to finish this. So bye for now.
Bye, guys.
Don't forget to like,
share, and subscribe. And comment down below. What is your favorite type of chicken?
Yes.
Spicy chicken?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe and share.
Bye.